Good day, YouTube, and welcome to Lagoon Customs and another episode of Start Working on Your Motorcycle. My name is Drew, and today we are going to replace this old seat cover from my Yamaha DT125. It has a strange and funny looking spot over here. I guess there was a damage and someone tried to repair it. Doesn't look very nice. And then we have a small cut over here. All in all, it looks a bit worn out. We're gonna remove it, check whether the foam is still intact, and afterwards we're gonna replace it with a new, nice blue cover, which I've ordered a couple of weeks ago. So let's have a look at what we'll need to do this job. So we'll need the stapler, pliers, flathead screwdriver, and of course, a beautiful new cover for the seat. That's it, let's start. We will start by taking off the old seat cover. You can use a flathead screwdriver and some pliers. Okay, finally, I think we've got them all out. All right, all the staples are out. It's time. Oh, look at that. Missed two. All right. Whoa, gotta be careful not to rip off foam. Seems like I missed something. Another two, and two more. Okay. Whoa. Well, the foam looks all right. Turn it around. So if you do have spots like these here, which are about to come off, I suggest using some duct tape to keep it in place. The next thing we're going to do is put the seat cover, lay it on top, just to get a feeling of the size, see where everything should go. So this is about the right spot. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start from the top, put some staple it here, give it 3 staples on top, then pull it down and tucker it down here, and then slowly stretch it to the side, stretch it down, pull it down, and go along this way. And we can always, if something goes wrong or we have any wrinkles, we can always take those staples out and start all over again. All right, so there's one little mistake that happened here. I can feel how the foam is getting over the hard seat, so I'll have to remove this once again. And well, I'll have to remove it and then tape down the foam so that it stays in place. Let's start over again. This time, I'm not gonna give it as much tension as in the beginning. I think that was a mistake. I had a bit of a hard time pulling these parts down. So I'm just gonna look and make sure that everything's lined up. And now, still enough space here. Pull it up a little bit so that we can get around. Yeah, like so. Maybe even a little bit more. Yeah, that should do it. As we did the first time. 1, 2, and 3. Go over the edge here and staple this part down. 1, 2. Hopefully that should be enough to start off with. Okay, let's continue. So what I'm gonna do now is, my plan was to go from top to bottom, which didn't work out very well. So I'm gonna try to pull down somewhere around here. Okay, didn't work too well. I'll try to start from here. Oh, this looks horrible. All right, now let's do our best. Start working on this area. What happens when I pull this down a little bit, you know? Looks a bit better. This is not easy at all. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Pull it back a bit more. All right. So I got this part kind of okay-ish. Whew, I'm telling you, this is not as easy as I thought it would be. What I'm going to do now is give it a few more stitches down here. All right. Now how are we going to fix this part? Because the back looks already pretty okay. All right, let's continue. So this part in the back here, I think I'll be able to do that, finish that off, no problem. But this part here really annoys me, all these wrinkles. So I'm thinking maybe remove some of these and then try to pull it to the front. And I gotta tell you, the cover is messed up quite a bit since I already did this a couple of times. I just hope I'll be able to finish everything off with this seat cover and that I don't have to buy another one. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, I need to remove the top as well. All right, I hope this will give me the flexibility to. All right, so this is round one, result one. As you can see, there's a lot of base here. Not happy with the result, and maybe you can see it. There's already a few holes in here since I've tried already a couple of times. And I'm going to take out all the tuckers down here, all the way here, and then I'm going to try it. I'll give it a last try with this one, but just in case, I've ordered a second one because I'm really hoping to get this done properly. I also ordered one of these, which works with air pressure, and I hope this will ease the job a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, got all the old tuckers out. Got my new super tucker ready. Let's see whether this is going to work out step by step. Yeah, this is much easier. So let me try again. Pull this up. Yeah, this looks way better. I can live with this. Yeah, I'm okay with this. This looks way better than before. Okay, let's finish this up. There's a little bit left, but as I said, I can live with that. Hey, cool. Way better than what we started off with or what we had after the first part. And now I'm going to cut off the excess. Okay. Cutting some parts off also gives me a better view of where I might have missed a few parts and where I still need to add some more tuckers. Finally! Okay, look at this. Whee! That's alright for my first time. Cool. We are done It's not perfect, but it's okay for the first time. And I think I learned a lot, especially that this air stapler is gonna make your life way easier because, well, you don't need to hold the seat cover and apply pressure for the stapler at the same time. You just need to hold the seat cover using the air stapler, and there's enough pressure. And of course, this was not as easy as I thought, but after a few mistakes, I managed to get the job done, and I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So what else is missing? I think we can put the Yamaha DT125 back together. That's what I'm gonna do next. Then I'm gonna give it a nice wash, clean it up, see whether it runs, and try to sell this bike. All right, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Peace. Hey, hello, Mr. Tanner. Please don't go away. Huh? I have some useful tips and tricks. No, I don't have, but I have. I will display some more videos which are from the channel Lagoon Customs. I think somewhere here and here they will show. You click on there, will make me very happy. Huh? Goodbye.